Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF3595 filter into the housing. One corner is less round than the others. Use this to orient the filter in the housing properly. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.